friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, where you're looking at the best curbside offers at Walgreens until the 28th of September. You order this stuff through the Walgreens app, hit the box on the left-hand side with the red check, drive to the store and pick up your order, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Now, I'm going to let you guys know, I was messing around yesterday and this morning, and the code WAG10 that we usually lean on pretty hard, it wasn't applying on Sunday night. I logged out, logged back in, and I was able to get it to work. So just be mindful of that. Like even Yoda over here was having issues. So just be really mindful of that. It was really a fussy app last night, the Walgreens app. I don't know what's going on. Now, alternatively, if you are a shopper that likes register rewards, you like to see what you're going to buy, you're into clearance, and that is your speed and your jam, I recommend that you watch yesterday's video. I'll link it at the very end. I mean, I was getting some skincare for 89 cents. That's typically 23 bucks. And then a whole bunch of magic over here on the left-hand side. Check it out. Really great video, in-store deals. And finally, before we hop into the deals, if I could ask a huge favor. If you guys could possibly like this video so it doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia, I would be so grateful if you could take a quick second and like the video. Thanks, guys. Okay, deal number one. Now, this one is kind of weird. Do you guys remember a couple weeks back, there was a $5 digital. It was attaching to these toilet papers found at like 3 stores in the US. And then the deal just vanished. Guess what? The deal's back, and this digital coupon, the 5 off, you had to load it a couple weeks back. On one of my cards, it's still there. The other card, it vanished, and I never did the deal because by the time I tried to track down this toilet paper, it was too late for me. So if you loaded this coupon, here's your here's your chance. And it's really weird why it's missing. And just throw it into a basket to see, do I have it? Do I not have it? If you can't find it. So we're going to throw one of those in for $10.99. And then we're also going to throw in 2 of the Garnier shampoos. You pick whole blends or Fructis. And then we're going to load our best friend, which is the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Just to show you, this morning I was able to get WAG10 to work, 60 cents off, and we do these curbside offers to get the 60 cents off, but Garnier, Angel Soft, and 60 cents for WAG10. We love that. Now, just to show you, the overall basket is $18.99, WAG10 taking 60 cents off, free curbside pickup, tax, $8 melting off. So the total here is $11.49. I would use 10 bucks in Walgreens cash if you may have it. Pay the $1.49 and you're getting back 3 for buying that Garnier, and you're getting a massive thing of toilet paper. So this is a really good deal. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 2. We are going to grab one of these travel size Advil pain relievers for $3.79. This is a deal not for everybody, but if you have no problem with it, I'm not looking. This is attaching with a $3 coupon for a larger size product. So if you have fundamental issues, do the first deal or do another deal in the video. But $3 coming off. They're probably going to change this as the week marches on. And then we're going to throw in one of these Suave deodorants for $1.49. It's small enough that it fits perfectly in your purse. I absolutely love that. We have this $1 digital coupon. So how lovely is that? And 49 cents for that deodorant. Yes. And we're going to throw in 2 of the Hershey's. You can either get the ones with almond in it, which is really fantastic, or just the plain. You pick, but 2 bags for $5. This is the Walgreens coupon. It's $1 off 2. So make sure you have that guy loaded. And the final item is the 2 Garnier. If you alternatively already did this, I think we were able to load a bunch of coupons last week for whole blends and Fructis. So I think most cards you can do the deal up to 3 times. You have to do them all separately though. But 2 of those and have 1 digital coupon loaded. And let's just take a look here. We have $3 for the Fructis, $1 for the Suave, $3 for the Advil, WAG10 taking a generous 13 cents off, and then the $1 IVC coming off for the Hershey's chocolates. Overall total is $18.28. $1.13 coming off for WAG10 and Hershey's, free curbside pickup, tax, and a $7 of digitals melting off. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it. Pay the 94 cents and you're getting back $3 for buying the 2 Garniers. Okay, deal number 3, keeping this marching along. We are going to grab 2 of the Snuggle dryer sheets, and these are the 70 counts. I think there's also an 80 count dryer sheets. We never get deals like this because we have a 4-off-2 digital, making it $3 for the 2. Like, hi, that's a freaking deal over at Walgreens. And we're also going to throw in 2 of the bags of the Hershey's, the plain or the ones with the almonds, you know. Save it for your Christmas baking. I know a lot of you bake. And we're going to also have this guy loaded, which is the $1-off-2 Walgreens coupon. And then we're going to throw in 2 of our best friends, which is the Garnier shampoo for $8. Alternatively, if you want to grab the whole blends, go for that as well. And then we have a 3-off-2 digital coupon. Now, just to show you guys how everything is coming off, like all of the math in the back end of it, $3 for Garnier, $4 for Snuggle, WAG 10 taking 30 cents off, and then $1 off for the Hershey's chocolates, the Walgreens coupon. The overall total for this basket is $20, $1.30 melting off with the Hershey's coupon and the IVC for the WAG 10. Free curbside pickup, tax, and $7 melting off. So $12.58. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash, throw it into this, pay the $2.58, and you're getting back $3 in Walgreens cash for purchasing the 2 Garniers. Okay, deal number 4. This one's pretty simple. We're going to put 5 of the Hershey's chocolates, so either the almonds or the plains or a mix and match of them for $12.50. We have our wonderful digital store coupon, which is the $1-off-2. Now, this is where I kind of like, I tried 100 different ways to get this to work, but you can't use WAG 10 with this. Obviously, it's a sales price item, but with the Mounds, with the Reese's, we were able to do that for weeks. So somebody's getting smart over there and just, I don't know, it's not allowed. So $12.50 for the 5 bags, $2.50 melting off. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and just go pick up your chocolates. It's much better to do it this way than to buy them in store. If they have a good long expiry date, you can use them for like Christmas baking or just give them to trick-or-treaters. But you're saving almost $20 on this basket, so it's quite fantastic. Okay, so before I run off into the big sunset, I just want to share something with you guys that I truly believe this deal with the 40 count Snuggle dryer sheets with the 4-off-2 coupon over at the Dollar General, do it earlier in the week. If you're going to wait till Saturday to do it with the 5-off-25, I truly believe that Dollar General will either change the coupon or pull the coupon where it's going to exclude this 40 count. I don't think it was ever their thing to be Ed McMahon and just give these away. And I mean, it's a gift. Now, if you have not signed up for Fetch, guess what? Fetch Rewards is giving back 700 points when you spend $3. And 2 of my receipts, I achieved this. So I was really happy about that. Shout out and thank you to Janet, Couponing Farm Girl over there on Instagram. She pointed this out and I got back like $2.10, but I did this on a couple different store cards to get these dryer sheets, and I was really excited about that. So if you might have some receipts, photograph them to Fetch, and I would do this deal over at the Dollar General soon because I think it's going to get pulled very quickly. Still working as of Monday, September the 23rd. Had a couple of you message me thanking me for it, and it's a terrific deal over at the Dollar General. And even if you're not a big Dollar General shopper, I would get the 2 boxes of free dryer sheets. Like, make it happen. And this deal is in store. Good luck, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.